A lot of you are like, Claudia, how do I change my YouTube channel name? Now, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change the name of your YouTube channel. I know a lot of you started out YouTube as a mistake because you heard people talking about making money on YouTube. You just started out without knowing a niche, without knowing exactly what you want to do on YouTube. But most of you have not found your niche and you want to change the name so that it will suit exactly what you're doing. But how do you do that? Is what I'm going to be showing you guys on this video. You can use your YouTube Studio Chrome version to change this name, and you can also use your desktop or your laptop to do this. But in today's illustration, we're going to use the laptop to do this, and you can follow up with your YouTube desktop Chrome version. But before we go into that, if you're a small YouTuber and you're watching me right now, go to the comment section and give a description to your channel. Now, when you're done giving that description, continue watching the video till the end, and when you're done, come back to the comment section and look for other small YouTubers and you connect with them. This is how I want you to do it. Go right there, search for the content creator or the small content creator that you're interested in, the kind of niche they do, because everyone is going to describe their channel. You click on it, you go and watch 3 of their videos till the end, you comment a comment that is related to the video, and also like and subscribe. This is so that the algorithm will be aware that people love these videos, they want to watch these creators' videos, and the algorithm will share their videos to as many audience as possible. When you do this to a content creator, this content creator will return the favor. Please, when someone watches your videos, subscribe, make sure you return the favor. This is how you would grow. This is how we all will grow. Now, when you're done watching their videos, you can come back to the comment section again and select another small YouTuber and do the same. If there are 100 comments right there, make sure you connect with at least 50 small YouTubers right there. If you do this, you would immediately get 50 subscribers because all the small YouTubers will return the favor. Please do not forget, watch their videos till the end. This is important for growth because you don't just want to have the subscribers. One thing as a small YouTuber that you will notice is getting subscribers is very easy, but getting watch hours is very difficult. And there is no way in this world, on these YouTube streets, that you're going to get monetized without getting your 4,000 watch hours or at least 3,000 watch hours. And how do you get it? Is this subscriber that will help you to get it. So watch their videos as they would also watch their videos. Also, there are links on the comment section and on the description on different channels that small YouTubers are there that you can join, and the small YouTubers will support your channel massively. We have the Telegram channel, we have the Instagram channel, and we also have the WhatsApp channel. It's right there. Connect with all these channels, or you can connect with one if you don't want to grow fast. It's all up to you. Now, there is a routine I want us, everybody in this community, to always do. When you wake up in the morning, after your morning prayers, pick up your phone, go to your YouTube channel and go to your favorite content creators and go directly to the comment section and connect with every small YouTuber there, especially on this channel. We're going to be having new videos and new subscribers every other day. So when you wake up in the morning, make sure you go to the comment section and check which new content creator is right there that you have not connected with. And when you do this every morning, give yourself at least 2 weeks. You will get this 1,000 subscribers and you will see how much watch hours you have gotten. Without any further ado, let's go into how you can actually change the name of your YouTube channel, and this changing is not going to affect your channel in any way. Now, one thing I want you to do before you go on to change your YouTube channel name is for you to make sure that the name you want to change is the name you want to use on your YouTube channel. Now, the reason for this is why when you change this YouTube channel name, it's only going to show on your YouTube channel. It's not going to show on other Google services, all right? So what you had put there before is what is going to be on Google, but this new change will only be implemented on your YouTube channel. And the second reason is because you can only change your name, your YouTube channel name, twice in 14 days, all right? So take your time, choose a name that is related to the niche or the kind of content you'll be creating before you go on to changing your name. Now let's go to YouTube Studio so that you can change the name of your channel if this is what you want to do. So right here on YouTube, what you have to do is to click right here on your profile image at the top right hand side, just like so. And below here where you see your channel name, you click on view your channel, just like so. Now right here, this is our channel, and what next you have to do is to click right here on customize channel. And right here, you're going to see profile home tab. And below here, you're going to see banner image, picture. And if you scroll below, right here, you would see name. Choose a channel name that represents you and your content. Changes made to your channel name and picture are visible only on YouTube and not other Google services. You can change your name twice in 14 days. Just like what I said before, make sure you select a good name and a name you want to stick on. And the consequence of changing your name is that it would only change on YouTube and not on other Google services. So right here below where you see my channel name, all you have to do is to delete this name and you put in the name that you are interested in using on your channel. Now, another thing that you need to change to make sure that this is effective is the handle. Choose a unique handle by adding letters or numbers. You can change your handle back within 14 days. Handles can be changed twice every 14 days. So changing your YouTube handle also is also like changing your YouTube channel name. Let me say, for example, the YouTube channel name I had before, if I change it and I use something else, I'm going to have a different YouTube channel name and a different YouTube channel handle, which is going to make it confusing. So you want to link it, you want to make it alike, right? So you have to change these two together. Now, let's say, for example, right here, instead of the name I had before, I want to put in something like Claudia Fango TV right here where the handle is. But when you type in anything you type in right here at the handle section, YouTube is going to give you a proposal. It will be better for you to take this proposal than using the formal handle which is linked or resembles your YouTube channel name. Like below here, this handle isn't available. Here's one available, Claudia Fango TV underscore B7E. So all you have to do is to click on this and that will be the handle you would have. Now, listen to this and listen carefully. When you're done setting this, when you are done, please do not skip out on this step. Come right here to where you see publish and click on publish. Because if you do not click on publish, then you've wasted your time and your internet. Now, when you click on publish, your name and your handle will change to the new one you have imputed. Easy busy. So this is how you can change your YouTube channel name and your YouTube channel handle. Easy busy. Remember, go to the comment section and you describe your channel right there if you haven't done it, and also connect with every YouTuber right there. If you connect with 100 of them, you are getting 100 subscribers right now. And also connect or click on the links you see below there, the WhatsApp link, the Instagram link, and also the Telegram link. All these channels have small YouTubers that are waiting to support you massively as you also support them. Love you all and thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope you got value from this video. And if you have not yet clicked on that like, what are you waiting for? Please click on the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that when we upload another video, you will not miss out. Now, watch out for our next video right here on how you can solve copyright issues on any video that you drop on YouTube. If you've dropped a video and YouTube is telling you it's copyrighted and it cannot be monetized, don't worry, we're going to solve it right here. So stay tuned on this channel and turn on your notification bell. Until next time, never ever give up on your YouTube channel. Ciao.